I'm gonna press it.
If your true Pokemon change color screen.
Whoa! Oh! 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 Hello, my name is GreenNinja11. I would like to explain some things before we go further into the video. The footage you're about to see is the footage that I have, and the footage before this part has accidentally been deleted. So that's something. And can this recording file fucking work? This is like the fourth time I'm trying to do this. Please, OBS, work with me. Please, I beg of you. I swear to God, if you don't work, I'm gonna fucking kill you. And also subscribe if you haven't already. Cool, I'm a grandparents about my new computer. Alright, so let me go over the specs. Alright, so I have, so we are currently in the state of power supply, and I just, damn it. So let's go put it in the computer. That is right over here. Okay, so I got the power supply in. Cable management. Yay! Having this thing fucking not blow up is an understatement at this point. Alright, now what we have to do is I'm gonna put in the hard drive, which is this a 2TB Seagate hard drive. Then we're going to see if it posts. Graphics cards right here, so we'll chill. Let's go put it in. Graphics card is in. That looks a bit monstrous, actually. I'm gonna plug this in. Let's see if it explodes. Those lights. Those lights. I see lights.
Kaboom.
Watch it go kaboom. Watch it go kaboom. Watch it go kaboom. There's no stop. Stop.
Water cooler.
Stop. Dry. Stop. Everything looks fine. Everything looks fine. It posted. Go get my keyboard. Stop throwing shit at me, Jemiah. Good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. We're in BIOS. Hey!
Oh yeah, I saw a video on YouTube about it before. It was really weird.
What?
When